Speak is an industry association, so ourselves were involved also so that we can contribute our expertise. But most importantly is that 86% of the companies now in photonics are small companies. And these companies, they really need this support in the beginning. Companies that have less than 10 people, you know, a couple of guys go together, they have an idea, they're very bright, brilliant, but you have to bring this to market, you have to make a product of it. Money has to come in to feed yourself every month. And in that beginning phase, where you're still improving the technology, developing the product, for some of it, it's really a question of survival to get access to that funding for the research part. And it's important to support all of these small companies because you don't know who is the Google or the Microsoft from the future. We always refer to them, we need more of those companies. You don't know who they are. And so therefore you need to breed more entrepreneurs in Europe and invest in them, in all of these small companies, so that one of them will become the Nokia, will become the MP3 player, will become a DVD standard. And because you don't know who it's going to be, you've got to invest in all of these small companies.